This is Mr. Yapiji with test technique. I'm gonna give you guys the test technique for regular multiple choice exams, and I have chosen release questions between 2013 and 2017. My main goal is to give you a test technique for every type of question you are gonna see on the real test. For this chapter, we are gonna practice on rational number representation and operations. I will generally create the video cover 2 or 3 questions. Let's start with first one. Set A represent rational numbers and set B represent integers. Which diagram shows the numbers placed in the correct sets? I put a clue over here. When you used to see a number line in elementary school with whole numbers, that means with integers, that means there is no decimal place on the number line. Barely when it says integers, you gotta remember the number line you used to see in elementary school. When it says rational numbers, you gotta think about whole numbers like you see over here on the number line. Besides that, you have fractions, also decimal numbers. When we look at the definition, set B is supposed to be integers. That means there should be no decimal number or the fraction in the set B. When we look at here, we are going to cross out option B and D. Look at A and C now. Once again, the integers should not have any decimal place or fraction. In this part, we have -12, but 3 place in the rational number is supposed to place here. So this option also wrong. When we look at here, all numbers defined properly. These 2 numbers, rational number, this one is integer. So our answer is going to be C as in cat. Number 2. Which Venn diagram correctly describes the relationship between the whole numbers and integers? Whole numbers, basically all positive numbers plus 0. Integers cover all positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. So when we look at the option, whole numbers should define under the integers, which is option as D as in dog. Other options, of course, wrong. I would like to point out one thing over here. 0 neither positive nor negative number. But we could say 0 is even number. That's all for today. Thank you.